Southeast Asia on a Shoestring, your ultimate 2025 budget guide. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're about to embark on a journey to one of my favorite places on Earth, Southeast Asia. Ride the local rails, mastering Southeast Asia's public transport. Let's kick things off with the foundation of budget travel in Southeast Asia, public transportation. This region offers a rich tapestry of travel experiences, and public transport is the thread that weaves it all together. Forget those expensive taxis and embrace the adventure of buses, trains, and ferries. These modes of transport are not only incredibly affordable, but also offer a unique glimpse into the daily lives of locals. They're incredibly affordable and surprisingly efficient. You'll find that buses, in particular, are the lifeblood of Southeast Asian travel, connecting cities, towns, and even remote villages with a frequency and reliability that might surprise you. Buses are the lifeblood of Southeast Asian travel, connecting cities, towns, and even remote villages. They offer a chance to see the countryside and interact with fellow travelers and locals alike. Train travel in Southeast Asia is an experience in itself, chugging through lush rice paddies and winding through mountains. The scenic routes are breathtaking, and the journey often becomes as memorable as the destination. Ferries are your gateway to paradise, hopping between islands affordably. They offer stunning views of the coastline and a refreshing sea breeze, making the journey to your next destination a part of the adventure. Embracing public transport isn't just about saving money. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture and experiencing Southeast Asia like a true traveler. You'll find that the journey itself can be as enriching as the places you visit, offering countless opportunities to connect with people and create lasting memories. Eat your heart out. The joys of Southeast Asian street food. On a budget. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food. Street food in Southeast Asia is a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aromas, and the symphony of sizzling sounds all come together to create an unforgettable experience. In Southeast Asia, it's not just about the incredible flavors, it's about the unbelievably affordable prices. Imagine aromatic curries, sizzling satay skewers, and steaming bowls of noodles that cost less than a cup of coffee back home. These dishes are not only delicious, but also a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the region. And it's not just the main dishes that are a treat. The variety of snacks and desserts available is astounding. From sweet mango sticky rice to crispy banana fritters, there's something to satisfy every craving. From Bangkok to Kuala Lumpur, every corner offers a new culinary adventure. Each city has its own unique specialties, and part of the fun is discovering what makes each place special. Whether it's the spicy tom yum soup in Thailand or the savory laksa in Malaysia, there's always something new to try. Look for stalls crowded with locals, a surefire sign of delicious and authentic food. The locals know where the best food is, and following their lead is a great way to ensure you're getting the real deal. Eating like a local isn't just about saving money, it's about immersing yourself in the culture and experiencing the true flavors of Southeast Asia. Sharing a meal with locals, trying new dishes, and embracing the street food culture is an adventure in itself. So grab your chopsticks or your spoon and dive into the vibrant world of Southeast Asian street food. You won't regret it. You're home away from home finding affordable accommodations in Southeast Asia. Finding comfortable and budget-friendly accommodations in Southeast Asia is easier than you think. Hostels in Southeast Asia are vibrant social hubs where you can connect with fellow travelers. Guest houses offer a more local and authentic experience, often run by families. Booking websites like Agoda and Booking.com offer a wide selection of accommodations at competitive prices. Consider staying slightly outside of the main tourist zones for more affordable options and a more authentic local experience. Choosing the right accommodation isn't just about finding a place to sleep, it's about enhancing your travel experience. Beat the crowds, save big the perks of off-peak travel in Southeast Asia. Traveling during the off-peak seasons can lead to significant savings and a more tranquil experience. Imagine having the freedom to explore at your own pace, without the hustle and bustle of peak season tourists. You can take in the serene beauty of Southeast Asia's landscapes, from its pristine beaches to its lush jungles, all while enjoying a more relaxed atmosphere. The shoulder seasons offer the perfect balance of pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and lower prices. This is the ideal time to visit popular destinations without the long lines and crowded spaces. You can truly immerse yourself in the local culture and experience the authentic charm of each place. Imagine strolling through ancient temples without battling hordes of tourists. You can take your time to appreciate the intricate details and historical significance of these magnificent structures. It's a unique opportunity to connect with the past in a peaceful setting. And finding accommodation deals that seem too good to be true. Off-peak travel means you can stay in luxurious resorts or charming guest houses at a fraction of the cost. This allows you to stretch your budget further and perhaps even extend your stay. While you might encounter a few more rain showers, the temperatures are still pleasant. The occasional rain can actually enhance the experience, bringing a refreshing coolness and a vibrant green to the landscapes. Plus, it's a great time to enjoy indoor activities or simply relax and watch the rain. Embrace the shoulder seasons for a more authentic and less crowded travel experience. You can wander through local markets, interact with residents, and savor traditional cuisine without the usual tourist rush. It's a chance to see the true heart of Southeast Asia. Choosing the right time to visit Southeast Asia can significantly impact your budget and overall enjoyment. By traveling during the off-peak seasons, you not only save money, but also gain a deeper, more personal connection with the destinations you visit. So, plan your trip wisely and discover the hidden gems of Southeast Asia in a way that few others do. Travel like a tech-savvy explorer must-have apps for Southeast Asia. Your smartphone can be your ultimate budget travel companion. Apps like Skyscanner and Google Flights help you find the most affordable flight options. Websites like Agoda and Booking.com are fantastic for finding great deals on accommodations. Apps like Grab offer ride-hailing services at affordable prices. Foodpanda and GrabFood allow you to order delicious and affordable food from local restaurants. Download these apps before you leave home to start exploring and saving money from the moment you touch down. The art of the deal, mastering the marketplaces of Southeast Asia. Unleash your inner bargain hunter in Southeast Asian markets. Haggling is part of the fun. From Chatuchak Weekend Market in Bangkok to Ben Thon Market in Ho Chi Minh City, Southeast Asia is a shopper's paradise. Start by offering significantly less than the asking price, around 30 to 50% lower. Don't be afraid to walk away if you're not happy with the price. If you're truly interested in an item, show your enthusiasm. Haggling in Southeast Asia is an art form, and with a little confidence, you'll score incredible deals. Hidden gems and free adventures. Exploring Southeast Asia on a shoestring. Some of the most memorable travel experiences are often the ones that don't cost a dime. Southeast Asia is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, from lush jungles to pristine beaches. Exploring these natural wonders often costs little to nothing. Southeast Asia is home to countless temples and historical sites that offer a glimpse into the past. Markets are a feast for the senses and a great place to practice your haggling skills. Exploring Southeast Asia on a budget is about discovering hidden gems and creating unforgettable memories. Embrace the art of minimalist packing. Packing light saves money on baggage fees and offers more freedom and flexibility during your travels. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched easily. Think lightweight fabrics, neutral colors, and comfortable shoes for your journey. If you're unsure about packing something, it's best to leave it behind. Pack a small, reusable shopping bag for carrying groceries, souvenirs, and laundry items. Packing light is about prioritizing experiences over possessions and embracing the freedom that comes with traveling light. Staying online is essential, especially when navigating a new destination. Getting a local SIM card in Southeast Asia is incredibly easy and affordable. Most Southeast Asian countries have multiple telecommunications providers offering a range of data packages. You can easily purchase a SIM card upon arrival at the airport or at convenience stores. For just a few dollars, you can get several gigabytes of data that will last your entire trip. Bring an unlocked phone from home to easily insert your new local SIM card. Staying connected while traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Volunteering and work exchange programs offer incredible opportunities to make a real difference while immersing yourself in the local culture. Imagine teaching English to children, helping to conserve wildlife, or working on an organic farm. These experiences are incredibly rewarding and offer a unique perspective. Websites like Workaway and Worldpackers offer a wide range of options. Do your research thoroughly and choose a project that aligns with your passions. Volunteering and work exchange isn't just about free accommodation or meals, it's about making a positive impact. Create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the budget-friendly wonders of Southeast Asia. Traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences. It's about being resourceful and discovering hidden gems. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to experience the magic of Southeast Asia. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.